Ryan. Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here, and today we have a Casablanca Spirit Saturn doing a better video of it because last video there was some drama, and I'm probably going to delete the other one once I put it on YouTube. So anyways, here it is, and it's in the foyer of Ryan Danslace. That's the Panama over there. Cali Gold's not on, so the Garage Fan's not on either, so anyways, here's demo mode. So first, power off, power on, fan, light, fan, light, fan. No, I don't want to keep moving that. It's a good direction. This is a good position to see the fan. It's like my brass and copper Saturn, except this one has the light and a W32 and the ribbed hang true. The earlier ones have the ribbed hang trues, not the stepped, and I think the stepped came out later in '87, and then they had started using the stepped. Now obviously I do like them better with the stepped. So here's and I am in the staircase right now because that way I don't be bothered while I'm recording. And that's about it for demo mode. So now let's go back to the controller again. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do speed. We're going to do the general light settings first. Start with the light on dim. Brighten it up just a little to full brightness. And that's about it. So here's the light off. Speed 1. Which is the slowest speed it can go on. Well, truly, the one that Ryan Dan has an RM4 board. But I don't know if this one sounds like it has an RM4 or an RM3 or a 2. I'm not sure. It could possibly be a 2. I'm not sure. In the Roblox version, but the real life version has a 4. But that changes pitches a lot. Now I like it when it's in high F or high G because it sounds like the Zephyr. It replicates the Zephyrs at the church I interned at with when I was at my college program. So anyways, here's speed 2. Which is kind of low, which is another low speed. Well, it's like more of an average low speed. And there used to be a black Cali Zephyr here, but that didn't go well with the door, so it was moved into the garage. So that's about speed 2. Here's speed 3. Which is actually where I like it usually. It's usually this entryway fan. Perfect on speed 3. Probably reverse, though, because so that way it recirculates the air into the other places, but it's a little warmer to speed. The highest I'd like to run it on is speed 5 usually. Reverse. But here's speed 3. Here's speed. Ugh, control. Speed 4. Which is regular medium. I like speed 2, 3, or 4 usually. Like somewhere, I usually tend to like lower medium on regular fans, but for IntelliTouch, usually I like speed 2, speed 3, or speed 4 usually. Sometimes speed 5. But once in a while speed 6 because, you know, I'm more like lower medium. But I like it in between usually, low and medium, which is speed 3. That's speed 4. Here's speed 5. Well, and really the speed Bel Air goes a little too fast. On the Bel Air in the background goes a little fast. So here's speed 5. Which actually does sound like tea. A drink of jam and bread. Now it's another version of Sound of Music because the Bel Air, which will be coming up soon, it'll be released June 10th. Will have me singing the Sound of Music when I get to speed 2 is when I start thinking about the Sound of Music. But this one I saw tea, a drink of jam and bread. Maybe one day I'll record the Sound of Music. Now bring us back to dough. Oh, I forgot to show the lights. But that's okay. There's a lot of fans in this house, just like the museum at Fanimation. But I know it because the house does get hot because there's no AC. Some of them are mostly run on high, but the ones in my bedroom are mostly run on speed 4 or 5, usually, since I don't like them that high. But unless it's a heat wave, then I'll have to have them on full speed. I'll have to have all of them on full speed if it's a heat wave. Your spin down. And while it's spinning down, let's reverse it. I do miss playing with IntelliTouch fans at my house and at the church too. Sorry, I'm just tapping my feet. I took the bus that I love taking today, and I always tend to leave all the bus. You know, there's another person at my school. He usually likes to set the presets, but I tend to like to leave a lot of the buses at my school on the classical station because, you know, my mom listens to classical music, and it's really good for your brain too. So, and I do find it relaxing. So, I like all kinds of music, but when it comes to classical, I feel relaxed and happy on days that aren't that great. That will bring us. I'm going to show all the reverse speeds real quick. I have 8 minutes in this recording, so I was doing a lot of talking. So points at the fan. It's not a great angle. And it's almost done spinning down anyway, so here we go. Speed 1 reverse. Might be 11 minutes long, so. Speed 1 reverse. 2 reverse. Speed 2. Far a long way to run. And also, and you know what else classical reminds me of? Reminds you of a Casablanca fan, because they're in the Casablanca, Beauty of Casablanca fans commercial uses classical music. The 1990 Casablanca, what do you call it? 1991 Casablanca commercial uses classical music. Uses the Nutcracker Suite. Speed 3, by the way. It's 9 minutes long, so we're almost 10. Speed 3. And also, it also reminds me of also 1997 Casablanca product video. Like not in the not in the promo video. It's in like the product. It's in like products like. It's in like products like where it shows a bunch of models and introduces a bunch of new models for 1997, like the Novelle and the Metropolitan. Since we can't make up speed 4 with the light on for forwards, we can do speed 4 with the light on for reverse. Speed 3 and 4 with the light on for reverse. I forgot to turn the light off, but I'll turn the light off after speed 5. Speed 6. And that is it. That is the Casablanca Spirit of Saturn ceiling fan at Ryan Dan's mansion. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.